Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. I'm the Magic Karma, and today I'm going to teach you the Sloppy Shuffle. Let's go to the cards. Remember your card. Don't forget it, you got it. I'm going to shuffle it right into the deck, just like this. And then, sometimes, a magician might, or a magician's friend, or whoever you're doing the trick for, might just grab, your cards and just make a big mess and just make a big mess. And they'll even get the last card in there and just make a big mess. So now it's all just shuffled just in a big mess. See, some cards are face down, face up. Some cards are face down, face down. But it's really weird because I'm a magician. You got to snap your fingers, wave, and every card goes back to normal. Except for one card, your Queen of Clubs. So, how do you do the Sloppy Shuffle? So, when you do the trick, to whoever you're doing it to, you want to select any card. You can go like this, just roll the cards, just like that, and you'll say, remember your card, or however you want to do it. But today, I'm going to be doing the card dribble. So, let's select any card. Okay, so we have this card, the 7 of diamonds. But, when you're actually doing it, you don't want to look at it. You just, turn your head around, show them the card. But for the tutorial, I'm going to be looking at it. Okay, so now that they have their card selected, what you want to do is place the card right on top. Now, what you want to do is take your thumb, just like this, and when you are going to shuffle it, you want to put your card down, just like this, and then just drop the rest of the cards right on top. Just like that, so the card is on the bottom. So really fast, it should look like something like that. Really fast. So now you're in this position. The 7 of diamonds. So what do you do with it? I mean, what do you do? So this trick pretty much, works itself through. So now that you're showing, now that your card's on the bottom, and don't remember, if you are actually performing the trick, don't ever show them the bottom card. That's very important. Now what you want to do is literally just take a couple cards and just do this. Maybe like more than a couple. Just grab a good amount, and then do this. So you take it, and now it's like the opposite side. You just turn it around. And then you just push off a couple more, turn that around, and just keep doing that until you get to about the last card, let's say about the last card. So there's a few more cards left, so the last card is their card. So what do you do? Oh my gosh, what do you do? So when you're in this position, really fast without them noticing, all you want to do is take it and just turn it over, just like that. You kind of want to cover it, make sure it's kind of covered so they don't see it. You're in this position. Ooh, it's kind of, okay. Now you're in this position, and the last card is here, right? Their card. And you want to be like, maybe, oh, let's get the last card in there. See, another card is facing the opposite direction. It was facing this direction, now it's facing this one. One more time. You're in this position, we're going doo-doo-doo. Okay, let's get that last card in there, and all I did was just turn it over. Just like that. How cool is that? Just like that. Alright. Ooh, we're on a roll. Alright, guys, you got it? Now, the next part. So, all of them are messed up, and what you're gonna notice is, see this break? It's just a natural break. See, I'm not holding the deck in any weird way. The natural break right there. See it? Now it's face, it looks like this, or both cards are face down. So you want to make sure you always know where the break is. So first, within the trick, you go like this. So some cards are face down, face up, and then you got the break. But some cards are face down, face down. That's so weird. So when their cards on the bottom, just like this, you want to just turn this over and stick the cards right on top, just like that. So all you're doing is taking this part, not the part that, the card's in, because the cards are right here. Take this, turn it over, and just sit it on top. Just like that. Have it, turn it, do this. That's it. And now when you go through the cards, it's this trick too is a self-working magic trick, pretty much. It works on its own, but you're doing the magic. You just go through the cards like, oh, you say, oh, I'm gonna go through the cards. There's one card face up in the entire deck. You see, every card is back to normal, except for one card, your 7 of diamonds. Just like that. How cool is that? I hope you enjoyed this video. Love you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button. Don't miss an upload. Hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Boom! I love you guys.